there, welcome back. I'm Sai, your Virtual Business Integrator. I help growth stage founders turn messy backends into simple, scalable systems so you can grow your business without burning out. You're here on day 4 of your 7-day growth engine sprint, and today is a game changer. Because now that you've mapped your funnel and seen where leads drop off, it's time to get clear on the numbers that actually drive growth. So let's jump in today's worksheet.
Welcome to this video, and today we're going to talk about the day 4 mini KPI scorecard worksheet. First up, we start at the top with your North Star metric. This is the one metric that reflects the overall health and momentum of your business. Think of it like your business pulse. If this one number improves, everything else starts to follow. Some common examples are total clients, monthly recurring revenue, total active mentees, products units sold. So go ahead, jot yours down. What's your North Star? This will anchor everything else. Step 2, let's go a layer deeper. These are your one metric that matters, or OMTM, for each department or function. Each one should directly support your North Star metric. Example, if your NSM is total mentees, marketing OMTM should be webinar show up rate. And sales might track inner circle enrollment. Enrollments, ops could focus on mentee engagement rate. These are not vanity metrics, these are action-driving metrics. You want your whole team aligned on the few numbers that matters most. On step 3, let's break down your L2 or level 2 metrics. These are your leading indicators, the smaller numbers that drive the bigger ones. They help you take early action before something breaks. Example, if your OMTM is webinar show up rate, then some L2 metrics might be cost per lead, email open rate, organic sign-ups. Use your day 3 funnel audit worksheet here. If you notice drop-offs, those gaps are probably hiding in your L2 metrics. Basically, these are a layer deeper from your OMTM metric. Step number 4, clarity without ownership leads nowhere. In this section, assign weekly targets, a single owner for each metric. Example, if your metric is webinar sign-ups and your weekly target is 100 attendees, and who is the responsible person? The marketing lead. So you can list down who owns the metric. Example, for the cost per lead, who owns that metric? The cost per lead, how much, and who owns or who is responsible? The marketing lead. Even if it's just you and one VA, when someone owns the number, it's get done. It turns data into decisions and decisions into action. Now let's tie all together with the weekly scorecard table for step 5. Use it to track trends, spot issues early, and stay aligned week over week. You can drop this into Google Sheets, ClickUp, or whatever your team operates. So this is how you make growth measurable and manageable. So here's what you built today. Your North Star metric, one metric that matters per team, 2 to 3 L2 metrics as your early warning system, weekly targets and owners for clarity and accountability, a weekly scorecard to keep everyone aligned. And don't forget, if you completed the funnel mapping audit from day 3, this KPI system fits right on top of that, making metrics driven by real funnel gaps. Now, what you've just created is a mini version of the full KPI system I built with client inside the Growth Engine build package. But here's the real difference. When we do this together inside the program, it's not just a worksheet. We help you design your full KPI map across all teams, set up trend-based scorecards with alerts and flags, build live dashboards your team actually uses, connect your metrics to funnels, campaigns, and operations. That's how we turn raw data into predictable revenue.
Now, if you want to explore whether Growth Engine Build is the right fit for your business, you can book a free, no-pressure 30-minute discovery call with me. The link is right below this video. Now, here's the bottom line. What gets measured gets managed, and what gets measured consistently gets improved. Today, you created a mini system to track what matters. You're now making better decisions with less guesswork. And tomorrow, we talk about how to make space to lead, because now that you know what matters, the question becomes, do you really need to be the one doing all of it? That's what day 5 is about, delegation prep. So you can reclaim your time and start building a team that scales with you. I'll see you there.